Hi, this is Ed from Fab Defense. I want to talk to you about our new AR15, M16, M4 kit. The kit is basically all the furnitures you need on your gun. Everything in tan here, including a front sight and magazines, is what's in the kit. You can see it clearly on the box. You basically get a stock with a 10-round magazine built in it. I'll talk about it a little bit later. A flip-up sights, sets of flip-up sights, a front grip, a pistol grip, and 3 30 rounds AR magazines. That all comes in this kit, so basically you don't need anything else. The kit is made for an M-lock, so take that in mind. The only thing that goes on M-lock is basically that front grip. Everything else doesn't need M-lock or rail except for the rear sight. You basically save 10% off the price if you buy them separate. And like I said, the stock is a GL Core mag, comes with a 10-round magazine, but you can fit a 30-round magazine in it. The kit comes in 2 colors, black and tan. The pistol grip is a reduced angle pistol grip. It's rubberized, very comfortable. Flip-up sights. Our flip-up sights, very simple, up and down, no springs, no buttons to go bad. The front grip is unique also. You can use, it comes in a set. This part called PTK and this little part called VTS. This little part also have sling attachment built in it. The grip normally works together with that little piece, the VTS, or you can put it wherever you want, but it was made so you have a good place to put your thumb. It's also rubberized, very comfortable, and that's basically it. Very simple. That way, you buy tan, everything's the same color, everything's the same company. The stock comes with adapters, so it would fit commercial tube or mil-spec tube. The magazines are new 2nd generation mag, very, very strong, very easy to handle. And that's it. This is a new AR kit. You can find it on our website and all of the big gun shops, websites, etc.